Welcome. Today we're exploring a groundbreaking convergence, how generative artificial intelligence is revolutionizing blockchain based financial systems. In our scenario, we're examining a blockchain based financial system that leverages the power of generative AI to create more intelligent, adaptive, and efficient financial services. Generative AI brings several key enhancements to blockchain finance: intelligent smart contract generation, automated compliance documentation, personalized financial products, and real time risk assessment. It can generate optimized trading strategies, create dynamic lending terms, and even produce human readable explanations of complex blockchain transactions. This integration represents more than just technological advancement. It's about creating financial systems that are not only trustless and transparent, but also intelligent and responsive to user needs. As we dive deeper into this scenario, we'll explore how this powerful combination is reshaping the future of decentralized finance, making it more accessible, efficient, and valuable for users. Now, let's dive into our Agile project overview and understand the specific challenges we're addressing. Our project focuses on developing a decentralized financial platform using blockchain technology. While this represents an exciting opportunity to create transparent, trustless financial services, we've encountered a significant bottleneck in our development process. The key challenge we're facing is twofold. First, our smart contract development is extremely time consuming. Each contract requires extensive manual coding, review, and testing cycles. Second, we're dealing with the error prone smart contract testing within our iterative agile workflows. Traditional testing methods aren't keeping pace with our sprint cycles, leading to delayed releases and potential security vulnerabilities. To address these challenges, we've established three primary goals for this project. First, streamline our testing process to align with agile methodologies. We need testing that can keep up with rapid development cycles without compromising security or reliability. Second, automate error detection in our smart contracts. Manual code reviews, while important, aren't catching all potential issues before deployment. And third, improve cross team collaboration between our blockchain developers, QA engineers, and product teams. Currently, communication gaps are causing delays and misaligned priorities. This is where generative AI becomes our game changer, helping us transform these pain points into competitive advantages. Now let's examine our AI enhanced agile strategy and how we're revolutionizing automated testing across three critical application points. First, in smart contract auditing, we're leveraging smart large language models and GBT lens to transform our security review process. These AI tools can detect reentrancy, attacks, and overflow bugs in Solidity contracts before deployment, issues that have historically cost the DeFi industry billions of dollars. The results speak for themselves. We're achieving 100% recall and critical vulnerabilities with 76.9% higher detection accuracy compared to traditional static analysis tools. Our second breakthrough is the test case generation using functionalized and test rigor. Instead of our QA team manually writing hundreds of edge case tests for new DeFi loan features, AI automatically generates comprehensive test scenarios. This has reduced our manual test creation time by 60%, allowing our team to focus on strategic testing rather than repetitive test writing. Finally, autonomous test execution through meticulous and testum has been a game changer for our CI and CD pipeline. Every code comment now triggers parallel regression tests automatically. We're seeing 90% faster test cycles with immediate feedback to developers, which means bugs are caught and fixed within minutes rather than days. These aren't just incremental improvements, they represent a fundamental shift in how we approach quality assurance and blockchain development. We're moving from reactive testing to predictive intelligent testing that scales our agile velocity. Moving beyond testing, let's explore how AI is revolutionizing our error detection and resolution capabilities across three sophisticated application areas. Our first line of defense is real time anomaly detection using AWS AI agents. These systems continuously monitor transaction patterns to identify suspicious wallet behavior, such as rapid microtransactions that could indicate money laundering or flash loan attacks. The critical advantage here is immediate fraud flagging before settlement occurs, protecting both our platform and our users from financial losses in real time. Next, we've implemented self-healing tests through ACCELQ Autopilot. This is particularly powerful for maintaining our extensive test suites. When code changes break existing test scripts, the AI automatically analyzes the Git repository changes and corrects the broken test without human interventions. We've seen a 40% reduction in test maintenance time, which means our QA team can focus on creating new test scenarios rather than fix outdated ones. Perhaps most impressive is our predictive analytics capability using our AI powered risk engine. By analyzing historical failure patterns from over 500 past smart contract deployments, we can forecast potential risks before they manifest. This proactive approach has achieved 90% accuracy in identifying vulnerabilities that would have caused production issues, allowing us to address them during development rather than our deployment. What makes this strategy truly powerful is that these aren't isolated tools. They work together to create a comprehensive safety net that learns and adapts with each sprint, making our blockchain platform more resilient with every iteration. The final pillar of our AI enhanced agile strategy addresses one of the most persistent challenges in distributed blockchain development: seamless collaboration and workflow optimization. First, we're leveraging generative AI to bridge the gaps inherent in distributed team structures. Our AI systems understand the unique complexities of blockchain development and can facilitate knowledge transfer between team members across different time zone and expertise levels. This ensures that whether you're a smart contract developer in San Francisco or a QA engineer in Berlin, everyone has access to the same contextual understanding of our platform. Our automated documentation capability has been transformative. Using Chain Agile's blockchain based tracking system, AI automatically generates sprint reports, user stories, and comprehensive audit trails. This isn't just about saving time, it's about creating immutable documentation that provides regulatory compliance and maintains transparency across all stakeholders. Every code change, every test result, every decision is automatically documented and verifiable. The task prioritization through AI has revolutionized our sprint planning. The system analyzes each developer's expertise, historical performance patterns, and current workload to intelligently allocate tests. This minimizes bottlenecks and ensures that resource conflicts don't delay critical smart contract development. Finally, our unified communication platform uses Testing Plus to synchronize testing and payment verification across all teams. Smart contracts handle the coordination, ensuring that when a feature passes testing in one environment, payment verification and deployment approvals happen automatically across all relevant teams. This integrated approach means our distributed teams work as cohesively as if they were in the same room. Now we arrive at perhaps the most critical aspect of blockchain development: compliance and security. In the DeFi space, these aren't just nice to haves, they're existential requirements that can make or break a platform. Our data integrity framework uses AI augmented blockchain technology that provides the foundation for everything else. AI models continuously scan transaction data for anomalies before it's permanently recorded on chain, particularly protecting against DPoS based system vulnerabilities. We're achieving 98.5% data accuracy assurance with 35% lower latency, which means faster, more reliable transaction for our users. Compliance automation through CERTA, Compliance.ai, and chain analysis has transformed our regulatory approach from reactive to proactive. Instead of manually conducting third party risk assessments quarterly, our AI systems perform continuous monitoring. Chain analysis flags suspicious crypto transactions in real time, enabling us to maintain compliance while providing seamless user experiences. Our fraud detection capabilities using Count and SAS VIA represent a significant leap forward. Count screens every transaction across global watch lists, while SAS VIA's machine learning algorithms analyze patterns across millions of transactions. This has resulted in a 35% reduction in false positives, meaning fewer legitimate transactions are inaccurately flagged, while actual fraudulent activity is caught more effectively. Finally, our AI powered AML and KYC tools automatically verify user identities and generate compliance reports for ERC20 tokens, while Chain Agile Plus IPFS creates tamper proof, scalable record keeping for our audit trails and user communications. This comprehensive security and compliance framework ensures that as we move fast with agile development, we never compromise on the trust and regulatory requirements that are fundamental to financial services. As we implement these powerful AI capabilities, we must address the critical ethical and operational considerations that come with responsible AI deployment in financial systems. Our implementation strategy begins with acknowledging the inherent challenges. We've identified three primary areas of concern that require active mitigation. First, bias in AI models pose a significant risk in financial services. Our mitigation strategy involves conducting regular audits using diverse data sets, specifically designed to identify and prevent discriminatory outcomes. We continuously test our models against various demographic groups to ensure equitable treatment across all user segments. Data privacy represents another critical challenge. We've implemented private Ethereum blockchains combined with advanced encryption protocols to safeguard sensitive financial information. This approach allows us to maintain the benefits of distributed ledger technology while protecting user privacy, and complying with regulations like GDPR. Perhaps most importantly, we must guard against over reliance in AI systems. We've implemented hybrid workflows where AI handles routine operations and flags edge cases for human validation. This human in the loop approach ensures the critical financial decisions maintain human judgment and accountability. Finally, transparency underpins our entire ethical framework. We're committed to explainable AI models and maintaining open audit trails. Our users and regulators can understand not just what decisions our AI systems make, but how and why they make them. In conclusion, let me summarize the transformative impact we've demonstrated through our AI enhanced blockchain financial platform. The integration of AI with blockchain creates synergies that neither technology could create alone. Our comprehensive approach streamlines every critical aspect of the development lifecycle. We've shown measurable improvements across testing. These aren't isolated improvements, they compound to create exponential productivity gains. The question isn't whether AI will transform blockchain development, but how quickly your organization will adopt these capabilities to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving fintech landscape. Integrating AI into Agile empowers teams to deliver secure, innovative, and trustworthy financial solutions faster than ever. Thank you.